These black bean and veggie quesadillas are the perfect game day snack. I picked up all of my ingredients for these at Safeway. Start by sauteing peppers, onions, and jalapenos in a hot skillet. Then we're going to add our seasonings. We're adding chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper to give this great Southwest flavors. Then we're going to add our black beans and some fresh chopped cilantro. Next, we're going to prepare a delicious avocado and tomato salsa to pair with our quesadillas. We've got jalapeno, tomato, avocado, fresh cilantro, lime, salt, pepper, as well as some olive oil to tie everything together. You can use this as a great dip for your chips as well. This is a perfect vegetarian option for game day. Next, we're going to assemble our quesadillas. We're going to layer the tortillas with cheese, our black bean mixture, as well as more cheese, fold them over, and then toast them in a hot skillet with a little bit of oil. Flip and toast on the other side until the cheese is melted and the tortillas are golden brown. Serve with the avocado tomato salsa and enjoy. I got this recipe from the Safeway Deals and Delivery app, Weekly Meal Plans feature. You can find budget-friendly recipes for your family.